are on our way to London. We're gonna go fix Dan's suitcase, and then we're heading to a very, very cute, kind of tucked away little Airbnb to shoot a lot of content. I honestly have been so behind just because of all the past events on all my content, so I'm really excited to spend a couple of nights with Dan and just, you know, get some great content. There's a pool, there's a hot tub. Yeah, it's gonna be great.
And do some more filming because we already have so much editing to do from Ukatula, from Sydney, and from all the other things that we've been up to.
Pretty much what we're wanting to do is just allow ourselves to go to a little hideaway and get some work done. It'll be fun. Let's go.
All right, so we went into Ramoa. They were super helpful and they were able to tell me that I was opening the bag wrong and that it wasn't actually the combination. Well, actually, yeah, it was the combination because maybe I changed it while I was trying to do it. But
we were constantly like trying to get it open, so we're kind of going back and forth with the button, so we might have accidentally just redone the code.
But anyway, it's done, which is a good thing. We're back from London and now we're gonna go get something to eat and then we're gonna head to the Airbnb for the weekend.
Welcome to our adorable cabin Airbnb. This property is insane. It is so cool, but I'm going to show you the cabin first. So let's go over here. Beautiful river. It is absolutely stunning, this whole area. All right, so this adorable log cabin here. I'm so excited to show you inside. It's super cozy. We got a cute little smoking area. We got lovebirds on the door. Let's see what's inside. Ta-da! Very cute, very kind of old school. Makes me feel like I'm back home in Canada. Come on in. Little kitchenette area over there. We had brought some food for ourselves, so we, you know, put it in the fridge. We have a nice little bathroom. You have everything. You have everything that you need here, which is just perfect. But let me show you the rest of the property because it is amazing. Coming out of our lovely cabin, we have again the view of the river. It is so peaceful, it's so beautiful. You would not even believe that this is here. The road is so close, it's super tucked away. It is very just this cute little peaceful serenity, not far from London. Amazing. Let's see what else there is. Let's find out what's in here. Super nice and sunny day today. Well, would you look at this? This room was actually in Vogue Italia a couple of years back. Beautiful space, very cool. It makes for some great content. Just like chic and iconic. Really, really in love with this space. Are you ready to see the third and final amazing spot of this house? Are you ready? It's heated, remember. Are you ready? I really wish that this was in my house. Insane. Oh, the lens is fogged. Can't see anything. This is the third and final spectacular room. So we got a hot tub. It's kind of like those jet tubs where you can swim in it against the current. They also have amazing sauna and steam room. They have a beautiful spot for tea and coffee if you just want to hang out. There is robes, there's speakers to like hook up your phone, your music. Oh my god, they have everything here. We are so blown away. We absolutely love this spot. Let's head back to the cabin where we're gonna go do some unpacking and just settle in for the evening. Stunning. So we have one more So we have one more place to show you. I actually forgot about it. There's a waterfall on this property, so let's go take a look. Feels very romantic, doesn't it? What do we have here? We haven't even been here yet. Is that the waterfall? If it is, I'll be a little bit sad. I kind of feel a little bit like I'm in Alice in Wonderland with a clock, whatever that is. I hear the waterfall. Are you coming? Oh, I can see it. Wow, beautiful. There's two. Oh, careful. Who knew? Who knew this was out here? So that was an amazing, quick little tour of this beautiful property. Make sure to check out our socials for more Airbnbs and lots of other lifestyle content.